Hi, our dear customers. I'm Rachel. Nice to see you again. I'm at the factory now, and today we will do a live to invite all the customers to be with me, to be as a visitor to visit our factory. Because of the coronavirus, it is hard for us to travel, but also let us find this best way or better way to show us and our products, which is the live stream. We had been doing live stream since this July. Based on this short-term experience, we really agree that this is the best way to show our customer. That is also the reason why we hold the live here today. So hope you will enjoy today's live because we will show you our Galaxy factory, all the production line, and also our teams. Okay, so get it ready. Be follow with me. Okay, this is the entrance of our factory. And first, we will go to find the factory owner, which is Russell. Okay, and he will introduce us his team and his production line and everything. So we are looking forward to visit this factory today. Hello, Russell, and hello, Jane.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Galaxy Price Factory. My name is Russell. I'm the general manager of Galaxy Heat Press Machine Factory. Okay, so today, before I introduce you the whole factory, I would like to give you a brief introduction of all the parts of our Galaxy Heat Press Machine Factory. So you can see now this building we are standing in front of is our office building. So in this building, we have engineering, R&D research department, all the service department, purchase department, PMC department, and human resource department working in this building. Okay, so you can see here is another building. We have 3-floor workshop in this building, and later I will show you inside of our workshop. Okay, to show you the details. And at the back side of this building, we have another building. It's for all the workers' dormitory. Okay, so this is a rough introduction of our whole factory. Okay, so the first person here I would like to introduce you is a very important colleague of our factory. It's our director of human resource department. It's Jean. Okay, say hi to customer Jean.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Galaxy family. I'm Jean. I'm the head of our human resource department. My mission is to get our all members enjoy their work and love each other deeper and deeper.
Okay. So thank you, Jane. Okay, so the first we will start from the office building. Okay. So the first apartment I would like to show you today is our R&D research department. It's a very important department. Okay, so it's on the 3rd floor of our office building. So please follow me. Okay, I introduce you the colleague. Okay?
So that is so exciting. So let us go to visit the R&D department first.
I'm very excited.
Yes, all of us is a little bit exciting because this is the first time we do a live to show everything about our factory.
Yes.
And I do hope that from this live you can know better about our team, our production line, and how we work or how we proceed the order, and also the most important department, R&D, how we develop our Galaxy Press. So
yes.
based on all of this information, I think you can do a better judge why the local Galaxy will be the partner that you can trust and to be worked with. Okay,
so this is our R&D research department. Okay, so we come inside.
Okay.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. So first, I would like to introduce you all my colleagues working in this apartment. Okay. So this is our director of our R&D research department, Mountain. This is the assistant, Alan and Julie. Okay. So next, I would like to let Mountain give all the customer a brief introduction of himself. Okay. So say hi to customer, Mountain.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mountain, engineer of our Galaxy. As an engineer, I had been working for more than 20 years. With my experience, I do have the confidence that we can't make our galaxy to be based from China to the galaxy be without us.
Oh,
Wow.
thank you.
Very nice
Very
introduction. Yeah.
passionable
Yes.
self-introduction.
Okay.
So Russell,
Yes.
I can see that you have such an experienced team
Yes.
for your engineering. So can you introduce us a little bit more how you developed the Galaxy Press since the first beginning?
Okay, so maybe we move to the sample machine here. So
Okay.
I'll introduce to you how we develop the heat press machine. Actually, many customers know that Local start sublimation business in the year 2010, and
Yes.
by now has been 10 years. So here I would like to share with one point with all the customers that so Local is very different from other company for heat press machine
Manufacturer of heat press machine.
under research, because Local starts a blank business first, and we have over 10 years business. So unlike some other factory, only they produce heat press machine.
Oh yes,
without
that is
blanks.
that is very very important.
Yes.
Because who use heat press machine? It is all the die sub users. So no matter how good the product is, at the end, the products need to meet customers or users' requirements.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this means that when we start to develop a heat press machine, actually we based on all the market needs for blanks requirements.
Yes.
So this is a very important point.
Yeah.
And also, next I would like to introduce you how we develop the heat press machine. I would like to take our GS105S, for example, to show customer how this machine has been developed. And now, actually, by now, this machine is the fifth generation already.
Fifth generation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when Galaxy Press decide to develop a new heat press machine, so first
at the first beginning,
actually, we will do investigation in the market.
That is very important.
Because as I just explained, and we have a very good sales team and marketing team. Okay, so we talked with our marketing team together, and also we do investigation with all our customers to listen to all the ideas, opinions from all the customers. And also we will do some research on the market to check all the other brand heat press machine, like the brand in Europe and brand in USA market, also some other products in the China market. So we want to check all the details. Okay, so this is the
which means that first you will based on customers' requirement to do a research. No matter about what customers want for a heat press machine. And second, you will do some research based on different brands to know why this brand to be popular in the market.
Yes, totally true.
Yeah.
So, for example, like our GS105, before we decided to research this machine, and we have customer opinion that because now there are many young generation coming into blanks business.
Yes.
They all think that now the heat press machine they can find in the market looks very boring.
Yeah.
Okay, all the same.
Almost the same.
Maybe some brand from overseas is a very good quality, but very heavy duty.
And it's very expensive too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for this machine, so after we get this point, so we first we find industry design company to cooperate with. So we start from the outlook design. So you can see this machine actually is with the streamlined design.
Yes.
And Rachel know very well. Now this machine is our best seller.
Yes.
In the market.
Lots of customer like our design. I like the outlook of the machine, and even some customers think that this machine is really sexy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the next, I would like to show you some drawings of the from our industry design company. Actually, this is a history.
How this machine to be designed at the first beginning, right?
You can see this is some.
This is a drawing that we did not choose.
We did not choose. Yeah, totally right. Okay, but I would like to share with all the customers, so you can see.
So at the first beginning, Galaxy have lots of different models.
Yeah, different models.
The different ways of to be Galaxy.
We think like this kind of design is still very normal in the market.
Yeah.
So we move to the next. Idea, okay? Yeah. So the company gave us more suggestion, like this one streamline. You can see there's most, and then move to the next. So like this, and
based on, I think the final might be
Yes.
based on this.
So
To make a little bit change.
also you can see during this the development, and we have customer asking us if we can make the lower Platen threadable. So you can put clothes inside.
Yes, threadable,
So
that is very
you can
important
see actually
for garment printing.
we changed the design in the bottom and with okay.
Okay. Oh, this is the final
yes.
drawing.
This is the final design machine. Actually, we accept.
Yeah.
But from this picture drawing, you can see on the first generation from our cooperated industry design company. It's actually this machine is with the spring. Is with a normal spring, not gas spring. Okay. And also for this machine, it's a manual type.
Yeah.
Also without slide out.
I just saw one set of this machine at the entrance of this building.
Yes. I saw.
That is
I think for years already. 7 years already. It's the first generation. Okay. So this is introduction of the history of this design history. Okay.
Yeah.
So actually now this machine has been the 5th generation already. So what I want to share with all the customer, also a very important point here is that for Galaxy price, also we focus on one machine and we upgrade keep innovation, make innovation and make changes on one machine according to the requirement from the market, from the customer.
Yes.
To make one machine to the best. We don't want to make all kinds of different models, large format, small format, air compressed. So this is very different. We are very focused company. Okay. So now this machine has been the 5th already. Yeah. So based on this machine, now the latest Galaxy 105S, you can see this machine is automatic open. Okay.
Yeah. Automatic open.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
That's really nice.
And you can see actually our gas spring is lift up very smoothly.
Yeah.
It's very smooth.
That means it will not jump up.
Yes.
You can see and a little bit before when we close the handle, and once the time is up, it will wait about 1 or 2 seconds, and then it will lift up. This function is meant to protect the worker, because for some machine, once the time is up, it will jump it off. Sometimes it will hit the worker. Yeah.
Yes.
That's why we add this function.
Also for the gas spring, and we also think how to say it's not only for when you press down customer, it's very gently. You can don't need to use very strong power.
Yeah.
Okay, but also you must lift up smoothly.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the 3rd generation, and we add the slide out lower Platen. So
this is
very
also
a very
because you can see if it slide it out, and
feature.
then the workers can a little bit far away from the heat pattern.
Yes.
Then it can protect the worker from to be heated.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's the work table totally in front of you.
Yeah.
So you don't need to burn your hands.
Yes.
Okay. So this is also very good.
Yeah.
On the 4th generation, and we added the pressure sensor here.
Pressure sensor.
So this is also a great help and change for customer when they print different items. Okay. So you can see when you press here, and the pressure will change like this. Okay. So when you
I can see that Ferric from Sign Depot. Oh, thank you. That is our dealer from Hungary. I think we have been cooperating with each other for about 4 years. Thank you to join us here today, Ferric. Okay, hope you will enjoy today's shows. And waiting to meet you in next FESPA. Hopefully, it will be held in March. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Long time no see.
Okay.
Okay. And also on the 5th generation, and because we have customer ask for more printing items like baby stuff and women stuff. So actually, we developed very good feature for this machine. It's a RAM lock system, so interchangeable lower Platen. Yeah. So it's very easy. And now we have.
I use a lot of this function during my daily work.
Yes.
You know, Russell is taking charge of the factory, and I took in charge of develop all the supplementary blanks. So based on developing of all the blanks, I have to do the testing. So I use this machine every day and use this function. It's really nice.
And also
Okay.
And,
yes.
and also, I would like to share with you another point that customer maybe can see. We pay attention to all the customers' ideas. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have customers say that usually for heat press machine, the problem lies in the heat platen and the control box.
Yes.
But for Galaxy heat press, because for the heat platen, actually we are using the best material, so we can guarantee almost 10 years of the lifetime.
Yeah. So, we offer 10 years warranty on all the heat pattern of our Galaxy heat press machine. Yeah.
So, but sometimes actually there may be some problem in the control box.
Yeah.
Okay. So we make the control box totally interchangeable.
Interchangeable.
So
control box.
it's very easy for the dealer or distributors, or even for the end users. And if you have a problem, actually we can send you a new control box.
Instead of you send a whole machine, or you ask your customer to send the whole machine back, then you just need to ask them to send the control box back, and you send a new one to them. That's all. They can do it because we are sure. Because this machine, when this machine delivered to customer, they have to assemble this part to the main part of the machine first, and then they can use this machine. So this is the design how we pack this machine. And about this point, it also saves the packing size and save the shipping cost, while can let customer learn how to install this part, and also a consideration for your better to do after sales service. Yeah, for all our dealers. This is a very good point, and it was really helped a lot for all our dealers. And we got the feedback from the dealers. All of them love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now actually we have been coming to the 6th generation of this machine already. So for the 6th generation, this is the sample machine here. Okay.
Yeah.
But here the first time
we show you what will be the 6th generation of our GS105S. It would be.
If customer you're very careful, you may see here this point will be maybe a little bit different.
Yeah.
So actually because we also have some customer. They say that it's a good for automatic lift up. Okay.
Yeah, it can save workers' time and energy.
But also we have customer. They have some very hard transfer material to print.
Very sensitive.
Laser transfer.
Sensitive transfer.
Yes.
Especially for the garment printing. That you not like Dist, because for Dist we always use heat resistant tape to tape the paper onto the blanks. But for garment printing, most of the garment printing decorators, they do not use heat tape. They just thread the T-shirt and then put the transfer paper on the T-shirt and then close the handle of the heat press machine.
Okay.
But if the pressure is too high, like the laser transfer paper, they need a very, very high pressure. So if the pressure is too high, once the temps is up, if this machine open automatically, then it will be the lower platen will be a little bit shake. When it is shake, then the paper will move a little bit. Then it will ruin the design, make the design have a little bit shadow at the edge. So that's the reason we think that we should make a machine that can let customer to be compatible with both automatic or semi-automatic, means open automatically or manual one. So for Dist of blanks, then you can use automatic open one. And for laser transfer paper, then you can use manual one. Okay, this is the first time we show you this function. Let Russell show you.
Okay, so actually we make this it's a very easy and turn and lock. It's this kind of function. So you can see now in this position, it's automatic lift up position. Okay, so I show you again. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see this is automatic.
Yeah, and the timing. Yeah, when time is up, it will open. Yeah.
It will lift up only. Okay. Yeah. So now, if I turn this mechanism like this, it's very easy. Okay. The girls can do this. Okay. So like this here. And this machine is changed to the manual control, to the manual control. So you can see, and after the timer counting to the 0, you have to use your hand to lift up this machine to finish the printing circle. Yeah. Like this, okay? Yeah. So in this way, actually, so we can offer a customer with 2 different choices, so manual control or automatic control. And for different kinds of printing
they
situation.
Can switch it by themselves very easily.
Yes.
And moreover, for the manual type, the pressure, I can see the pressure is a little bit higher.
Yeah, the manual type pressure will be a little
we
bit higher.
showed you, we did not adjust the pressure. We can show customer a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, I just found an picture. You can see this is manual type. We did not adjust the pressure. And this is show 7, the pressure. But if we change with automatic one, and then here shows 6.
Little bit more, yeah.
Yeah,
The manual will be increase the pressure a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
So all the Galaxy Kit Press machine actually we are developing is for the heavy users actually and
professional users.
Professional users, yeah, professional users.
Yeah.
Okay, so we really want to make this machine can meet the European USA quality, but also with a very competitive price.
Yeah.
To offer customers.
The main reason for us to develop this machine is we want to meet the requirement, like I just said, for professional users. Who is not just want to try the machine, try sublimation, or try transfer printing business, but have their plan to do and to make it growing. So this is our main reason why we developed this machine. And thank you, Russell, for you to introduce us about how you developed the heat press machine since the first beginning based on this GS105S.
Yes.
And as I know, besides this clamshell, we also have lots of different types of other machines like for mugs and for caps. For caps. Okay, so can you introduce us a little bit more?
Oh yes, okay. So actually, when we decide to make a heat press machine after investigation, usually when we make agreement together with all the customer, with our marketing department, sales department, and then our engineer department will make this machine as a project. Okay, then we start this project. We will make a sample machine like 3 to 4 times. We will test all the function because you cannot make only one sample machine to fix all the function in one time.
Yes.
So after the sample machine confirmed, all the function confirmed, we will make a totally prototype machine. This machine means that with the painting, with everything, and just like the real production machine, but only the sample machine. Now we are doing the function test. So usually for one this machine, at least, and our engineer team will do for the heat press machine. The most important is the printing test.
That is a kind of practice.
We will do at least over 10,000 times.
Wow,
for
10,000.
Okay.
Wow.
So until this machine passes this test, and then we will move to the next step. It means that we will start to make a small quantity machine, usually like 20 to 30. And Rachel know very well. We will sign to our
our core dealers, which is know how to do the testing, and some of our dealers will send this machine to their customers who use this machine like very frequently, like 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Then we will send machine to such customers to let them to do the test first. So if all the testing is good, or if it's not good, they will give us the feedback. We will make the change. So the final back production line will be based on the feedback from these kinds of customers.
Yes, based on our actually small quantity order. And if all the customer like it and think all the function is no problem, and then we will start to make quantity order and make stock, and also our engineer team will make all the BOM materials to put in the ERP and start the ERP system. We purchase department, PMC department, warehouse department, like this. So we prepare this machine in stock and for the sales team to sell. Okay, I think that's all for the engineer department.
Okay, thank you, Russell. And I would like to do a roughly introduction and to repeat it one more time. So as I understand that, you mean that at the first beginning, you were trying to make the machine which is based on customers' requirement and based on the research of different types of brand.
Sure.
So, that is really good. Russell really put all of his heart to trying to develop our Galaxy Press.
Yes.
Yeah. So at the first beginning, our level was trying to make the most user-friendly heat press machine, and also that machine can be really affordable for all the customers who is really want to grow in their business in supplementation or transfer printing. Yeah. And by now it's about 7 years past.
Yes, 7 years already.
So we have lots of loyal dealers and some customers or our Galaxy fans.
Thank you
for all of your support.
Thank you for
so and I would like to repeat to you how we can guarantee all our dealers that you can still to be lead the market or keep the market share or booming your business with us in your market. How we can guarantee you, like just Russell said, the way how we develop or how we update the machine. First, if you have any question or any feedback or any ideas about our machine, just let us know. We will listen to you and we will do the update and let you know how we update it. And we'll send the updated sample machine to you to do the test. Okay? And second, we also based on our own experience from lots of Dist users and also from the research of the home heat press machine market, and we will have an idea by ourselves to develop the machine based on our research and based on customers' requirement. So how we develop a machine? First, we will got this research data ready, and we will have a meeting with the sales team, with the engineer team, and then once both the sales and the engineer agreed with this project, then the engineer will go with the design. Then once the design ready, we will do sample. At least we will have 3 to 5 samples to be ready, right? Yes, and engineer will do the sample testing for about at least 10,000 times. So only this test to be passed, then we will do the small quantity production, right? Yes, and this small quantity production, we will send to the loyal dealers or the customers who use the machine for about 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and then to let them to do the testing. Only the testing to be good, and then we will do the back production. So it means that all of our Galaxy press machine will be based on market research and based on customers' feedback. So this is how we can guarantee you to keep leading the market with us, right?
Okay, yeah. I think that's all for the introduction of our R&D research department. Okay, so thank you everyone for the time. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. So the next department I would like to show you is also a very important department. It's our financial department. It's located in the second floor. Okay, so please follow me. Okay.
Thank you for all the customers to join us here today. And this is the first live show to show you our Galaxy factory, about our team and the production line. And now we are at the second floor to show you our financial department.
Okay, so this is our financial department. Okay, let's work inside. Okay, to see all the colleagues inside this office. Okay, this is our financial department, and I would like to introduce all the customers, the colleagues working in this office. Okay, so this is Platen, the director of our financial department. Okay, so this is the polling assistant financial. Okay, and the Boeing. Okay, so the next I would like to ask Platen to give all the customers a brief introduction of himself.
Hello everyone, I'm Platen, the CFO for Galaxy. I had been working as a CFO for more than 13 years. Thank you for all of your support, our dear customers.
Okay, so
thank you.
Yeah,
thank you,
Platen. Yes. So actually,
Russell, as I know that financial department is a very, very important department for every company. So can you introduce us how you use your financial department and how they support your works every day?
Okay, sure. So for every company, I think the financial department is we can see is the most important department of a company, because all the data come to the financial department. Okay? So usually in our company, our financial department take charge in the 5 different jobs mainly about. So they are financial accounting, tax planning, analysis of financial statement, and capital management. And also the last thing is a very important point is our ERP system management. So and also because our company Galaxy Price Factory, we are the general taxpayer. So actually we have more requests for the financial department management. So also because we have import and export operation rights. So all this actually give a lot of pressure for our financial department, but they do a very good job. Okay.
And you get everything on order.
Yes, because all the data come into this department. So a good financial department can help me know all the details for this company, and also can help this company grow healthy and safely.
Okay.
Yes.
So based on this database, you can make your decision better.
Oh
right?
yes, totally correct. Yeah.
As I know that you have applied lots of patents, right?
Oh yeah. Actually, for Galaxy Price, and we are a company paying great attention to the intellectual property. Okay. So when we when we start to develop a hit price machine, and we will start to register the patents. Okay. So actually here we prepare some patents to show to customer. Okay. So all these patents are registered in the last 7 years. Okay. And also we have more patents. It's under registration now.
That's very important.
Okay.
The patent can protect us and also can protect our dealers.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's all for the financial department. Okay. So thank you for everyone for your time. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So.
Okay.
Okay. So actually, you can see here there are many beautiful girls working here. Okay. So here we have three. We have three very important apartment here. So here we have PMC department and sales assistant department and purchase department. So next, I would like to give all the customer a brief introduction to all the girls working here. Okay. So this is Daisy and Heidi from our PMC department. It's like green, okay, and for the whole company. And this is Alina and Lucky from our sales assistant company. And these two beautiful girls sitting here is Julie and Angel, also very important girls and from our purchase department. Okay. So next, I would like to ask all the girls give all the customer a brief introduction of himself. We start from Daisy, okay, the director of our PMC department.
Hello, everyone. I'm Daisy, working at Galaxy for about 5 years. I take in charge of arranging the production for order and for orders and staff level control. I know how important my job is, so get everything in order and be well organized. It's what I'm working for, and I have confidence that I can do it better and better. I enjoy to be working here and now our Galaxy family. Thank you.
Okay.
Alina.
Hello, I'm Alina. I have been working at Galaxy Press for 8 years. How time flies. I did enjoy the time being here, and thank you for your support, our dear customers. Thank you.
Hello, I am Heidi.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Julie from Purchasing Department, and I take in charge of sourcing and managing all of the suppliers for our Galaxy Press. I joined Galaxy last year. It's not a long time, but I had been working very hard and enjoying my daily work here. Trust me, Galaxy Press would be with the most competitive raw materials. Choose Galaxy, you would be surprised your customers.
Hi everyone, I'm Angel. The bio of Galaxy. Get best good and best plus is my mission. Thank you for your support.
Okay. Oh, I can see that, Russell. You really have. That's Lucky to introduce herself first. Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Naki, sales assistant. Making sure all the orders will be processed and shipped out on time is my job. Trust me, give us your order. Everything will be on order. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, beautiful girls. Thank you for your brief introduction. Actually,
the attention of the whole team.
Yes, you're so lucky. You have such great team and beautiful team. And actually, this is the first time they are trying to introduce themselves in English. That is a big challenge for them, but glad that they did it. This is like a spirit at Galaxy that we all believe that nothing is impossible. Just try your best. Okay, so beside this, I would like to, for customer, maybe most of customers, they will care about how we proceed the order, right? When you place the order with us, how your order be prepared and ship it out, right? Okay, so I will introduce you how we proceed the order. Okay, so that Lucky helped me to introduce you first. You can see this is our ERP system. With this system, all of the girls you just met here can work on this system. So once the order be placed in this system from our sales office, which is located in Shenzhen, not in here, then all the office girls here, they will receive this order from our ERP system. Like the sales assistant, first they will print the order out and check whether this everything is included in the system, and then send this sheet to different production department. And for the PMC department, they will check the order whether all the goods is in stock. If it's not in stock, then they will send the purchasing request to our purchasing department. And then these two beautiful girls, the buyers, once they receive the request from the PMC, then they will place the order to our supplier, and they will take in charge, follow the order to make sure that all the goods will be get to our factory on time. During this time, the sales assistant, these two beautiful girls, that they are very important here. They check the order every day and make sure that the delivery date we give to the customer will be under control, and we can send the goods out to our customer on time. So, which means that based on this ERP system, everybody can work at the same time once the order get into our system. No delays, and everything can be coordinated in that system, and everything is accurate, especially for the stock level. Yeah, this is very important. And besides, as I just said, we will print this order sheet and send it to the production line. So we have double guarantee that your order will be proceed correctly. Okay, so that's the procedure of the order system. We can do it here today, right, Russell?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Today the live show is for the introduction of Galaxy Heat Press Machine Factory. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for all the customers joining this show, and we will move on. Okay. Yeah. So I think thank you, Rachel. It's a very detailed introduction of the order how the order proceed inside the factory. Mm-hmm. The ERP system is very important. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's all here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For the office building. Yeah. And
we go to the most important part.
The next, the next apartment I would like to show you is our workshop. We will start the workshop introduction. Line. Okay, so we will go to the other building and to visit the assembly line workshop. Okay. Okay. So
bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay. That's so exciting. Let's go.
So actually, we can go from the stairs, but actually to connect to make the office communication more easily and more convenient. So we build a bridge from here to connect the office building and our workshop building. Yeah. So it's very easy. We can just move through here. Okay, so follow me. Okay.
Okay. That's nice. Yeah. This is
so this is the bridge we're building. So you can see from the bridge. This is the factory, okay?
Yeah,
the factory,
can see everything here.
So all the orders will be sent container loaded in that area. Yeah. Okay. So this building is our workshop building.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. So this is our assemble workshop. Yeah. So before I introduce you the first side of our assembly line, I would like to introduce you our director of assembly line. It's Colin. So
Hello.
say hi, it's Colin. Yeah, Colin cannot speak English very well, but it's a very good director and take charge of all the jobs here. Okay, it's okay. So actually, the next I would like to introduce you briefly about all the different parts in the workshop.
Yeah.
So here you can see we have 8 assembly line here. So all the machines assembled here. And also in that area, you can see the machine and is under testing. It's our FQC test area. So all the machine after assembled will be sent to our FQC area and start for FQC inspection. And after all the FQC inspection confirmed and passed, then we will start to package and send it to the warehouse ready for sending out by air or by sea. And also at the back of this building, this floor, we have a machinery shop, which is for our heat platen and the lower platen machinery. Okay, so because heat platen and the lower platen is a very important accessories for a good heat press machine. Okay, so Rachel, you can see this is how we work every day here.
Oh, yes,
worker.
I can see. So let us see a little bit more about their install line. You can see
So
everything. Yeah.
So actually, usually when we start the job, maybe we can.
Oh yes. Oh, that's, you see, every part have been laid out on the table and to let them to install it. So this is so some worker will help to lay this.
We have we have workers and for the arranging all the materials, and also we have workers to assemble. So usually for the machine, we assemble the machine to different parts, like the sliding and the machine body and the platen parts, and then we assemble here. And we have workers assemble these parts in the other areas.
We can see that they have the rooms to put all of these little parts. You can see every working table, the parts is put in exactly the same way. This is really nice. This to make sure that every part is correct and on order, and to make the worker can be install the machine correctly. This is very nice.
Yes,
good organization.
Okay, thank you. So this machine is after assemble. This machine is the finished one. Okay, ready for test. So later, like this machine, the assembled machine will be sent to the FQC test area for the FQC inspection. Okay,
so all the machine will be assembled parts by parts. Right?
Yes, parts by parts.
Parts by parts.
Yes.
And then
and also for different parts, and we have different workers to assemble. For example, like this one, this is the sliding mechanism. So it's a very sophisticated because it must be smoothly. So we must have the very sophisticated worker to assemble this part. So you can see for each one, you must make sure it's very smoothly, like this. Okay, so you can guarantee the sliding out. So like this, okay? It's in the very good condition.
So for the assembling line, first we will get the machine to be assembled with different parts. Then and different workers taking charge of the different parts. And also we have a special workers to make sure that all the materials which is needed for assemble this part will be laid out on the working table well and on order and well organized. And then we will once all the parts to be made and then we will assemble it together, and then a finished machine will be done. Right?
So here maybe I would like to share with all the customer of our the RAM lock system one more time. Okay, maybe some customer know already, but some customer they didn't see this before. Okay, so it's a very good mechanism. So actually you can see with this RAM lock system, and we can change the lower platen very easily. So for example, and this is 6x10 inches. So usually a customer, if you want to use this platen to print some baby or small items or some bags, it's very easy. You just put it on the side and then lock it, okay? And then put inside, then print. Also this part you can take out.
As I said, I use this function a lot because I develop lots of blends every day.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very easy to use. Yeah.
And also you can put like this. Also, it's very easy.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
It's a very good function. Many customers like it.
And as I know, we also have patent on this design, right?
Yes, we have patent on this design. Okay. So we have different models and assembled in different assembly line. Okay. Okay.
This working shop is really hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. Okay. And thank you for all of your hard working here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
The next area
So you can see every Galaxy press was assembled by our workers sweating, you know.
Yeah.
It's really hot.
So the next area I would like to introduce you is our control box assemble area. So here, and actually, we assemble all the control box here. So all the wires and so this is the assembled control box. It's already. Then this control box later will be sent to the assembly line for the workers to assemble. You can see all the here and here. This is the work we are doing here, the job here. We have girls doing this job and all the accessories and the wires and also here. Yeah, placed here. And some screws, some wires. So like this, okay? So please follow me. And so this is a very important area.
Yes.
I would like to introduce you in the next step. So this is our FQC testing zone, okay? So here, before the introduction of our FQC process, I would like to introduce you Randy, who is our director of our QC department. So first, I will like Randy to give a brief introduction of himself to all the customers. Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm Randy. I take in charge of our QC department. Choose Galaxy, choose quality. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Randy. And actually, so for QC department, and takes a very strong responsibility for the products, raw materials, and also for finished products. So they have lots of work to do every day. So please follow me here. First, I would like to show you. You can see this is our testing. So for each testing station, and you can see we have 220 voltage and 110 voltage.
Yes.
So many customers know that 220 voltage usually for China market, Australia market, and European market. Okay, or some other countries. And for 110 or 120 voltage, it's usually for the North America and Japan and some South America. Okay, this kind of market. So we will test according to different voltage of this order. Okay. So here in the next step, I would like to introduce you how we test the Galaxy price. So how we do the FQC test.
Okay,
so
that's very important.
This machine is ready for the FQC test. So you can see for each machine, and Randy and the other colleagues from our QC department will print this testing form. We call it Galaxy Final Inspection Report. So in this report, you can find the model number and the atom, the number, and the voltage and the color. Okay, and also the atom number will be sticked onto the machine.
Yes.
Will be sticked onto the machine. Okay, and so also customer can find this number in the machine body.
Yeah.
Usually in the right bottom side. And also for the checking item, you can see we have different categories. So we have the visual inspection, function test, balance pressure test, operation test, and even temperature test, packing test. So for even temperature test, all the machine will be burned at this place for over 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay,
at
so
180
180 degrees, yes. And also you can see we have 5 points, the testing points. So we will test the temperature, the top left, top right, middle, bottom left, and the bottom right.
Yeah.
So we will keep precisely all the data here for each machine. So this is no joke. We do a lot of job here. And so this form will be packed with each machine.
And it will be signed by the who assembled this machine and who inspected this machine. So the people who take in charge of assemble of this machine and inspected this machine will be signed here.
So this means that for every Galaxy heat price, that each machine can be followed from the assembly line, from the inspection person, and also in the customer side.
Yeah.
So we will know this machine, who assemble it, who inspect it, okay, and who buy it.
Yeah.
So it totally is
everything is in our system. Yeah, this is meant to do a better customer after sales service. Yeah, so if you have any question and any problem from any machine, then once you give us the feedback, you will understand that why our sales always ask you to take a photo to show us the sales sticker, because on that sales sticker we have our series number, and based on that series number we can check it on our system which this machine is from, and also all the spare parts concerned to this machine. If we get more than 10 complaints from the same production lot for one spare part, then we will think this spare part is not it should be have some problem, and then we will give the feedback to engineer. Then engineer will do some research and we will update that part. So this is very important for us and also for the dealers. So we would like to share with you how we can guarantee you to give you a good after-sales service. Okay.
Yes, our Rachel is very experienced in the machine development already. Okay. Mm-hmm. So another small point I would like to share with our customers here, you can see like this. Okay. So if our FQC worker when they inspect the machine, when they find unqualified points, they will like this. This is what we call the NG sign. So means this machine have problem and cannot be packed. So in this small sign, you can see the number of the machine and the size and the date, and also you can see this is the unqualified points. So this means that this the lower Platen is little bit loose. So they will click this here, okay, with this small click, and then our assemble worker later when they come here, when they check the machine with this small NG sign, and they will modify this machine. And then when they modify this machine, after the machine is modified, the FQC person will check again until this machine is totally past the FQC process, and they will give the sign here. Okay, give a stamp here, and also sign here. So this is a very strict procedure, and some customer and may if they have some problem, and they may say they may say that you don't do FQC of the Galaxy price, but here I promise to all the customer over the world that for all the Galaxy heat price, no matter single mark price, very easy mark price, or clamshell, any price that we produce, we will do at least burn the machine 2 hours and do very strict FQC test. This is a Galaxy price promise and guarantee to all the customers. Okay, so thank you for your support, and we will keep on moving on this procedure. Yeah.
Thank you for all the customers joining us here today. And this is the first live show. We show you our teams and our production lines here at our Galaxy factory. We are local and we are Galaxy. Yes. Okay, thank you, Russell.
Yeah. So maybe the last point here, you can see this is how we organize. We have the warehouse people, and all the procedure will like this. So usually, the sales assistant get the order, and then the order will be signed to our PMC department. Okay, so the PMC department will sign the order, and to the all this comes through the ERP system to the workshop. Okay, so when calling get this order in the workshop, the calling will print the order list and assign to our warehouse. So the warehouse will prepare all the material according to the order list, and then prepare the orders and take the order signed to our assembly line here like this. Okay. So this is ready for assemble. It's just running order and order assemble like this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I think that's all. Okay. So the next area of our workshop in this floor, I would like to introduce you is our machinery workshop. Okay. So please follow the camera. We move on. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see in here, and we mostly machinery, the heat platen and the lower platen here. Yeah, it's here. Okay. So here, unlike some other company, they polish the surface of the heat platen. We use the machinery, the platen one by one. So you can see actually the platen after machinery is like a mirror. So it's totally flat when you press down the machine. Both the heat platen and the lower platen, this job we never give to other third supplier. We do it by ourselves inside our factory, and we machinery all the lower platen and the heat platen one by one. Okay, so it takes a lot of time. It's very slow, but it can guarantee the quality of heat platen and lower platen. That's the reason why the customers say, "Oh, Galaxy Price, the lower platen and heat platen is very good quality." So you can see the surface. The edge is not polished yet. Later will be yes. Yes. So this is the finished one of the lower platen. You can see. Yes. Okay. So you can see this is machinery, the lower platen here. So here actually we machinery the surface of the surface of heat platen. The surface use this machine one by one. So it takes longer time, but can guarantee the surface of the lower platen and heat platen very smooth. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, so okay, thank you guys. Thank you. We So the next apartment, we will move to the third floor, okay? The third floor is for our heat press machine warehouse, okay? So follow the camera. We go from the elevator. So this is a typical machine factory elevator, okay?
Yeah.
So we go to the third floor.
Yeah. Because besides the production line and also how we manage the warehouse to make sure everything will be on order. I mean, all the parts will be correct and well organized.
We show you everything of Galaxy Price today. And everything because we show here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Randy, for waiting here. So actually, this is the warehouse inside, and beside the warehouse, we have accuracy testing to inspection area.
Yeah.
So all the raw materials will be put here, and for accuracy test. So here you can see this is the accuracy test procedure, and we have the accuracy test standard. This is standard, and this is the test report. Okay, so if the material is okay, so this is the drawing from our engineering department to give the QC department standard testing standard. So if the material actually is past the accuracy process, and we have the warehouse worker, and we will take all the materials inside to the warehouse and locate it in the different area according to our ERP system. If the material is unqualified at NG, and Randy and other colleagues will put NG sign here, and then this order will be returned to the supplier.
Okay,
like
so
this,
which means that only the parts is qualified, then they can get into this warehouse.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Okay. So we move inside, okay, to check how our heat press machine apartments warehouse look like. So this is the warehouse, okay. So this is some small accessories, so we can move inside, okay.
Okay. This is the
this is
effective
raw. Yeah. This is raw material actually here.
Platen.
Okay. Yes.
You can see that you have labeled from different
Hello, Lei.
shelves.
Hi. So before the introduction, I would like to introduce you our warehouse keeper. It's Lei. Okay. It's a very hardworking boy and very responsible boy. Okay. So say hello to customer.
Hello.
Lei. Okay.
Everyone.
Okay. Thank you, Lei. Okay. So you can see, Rachel, there are different numbers in all the shelves.
I've seen it.
Yes, yes. Actually, these numbers and actually it's means it's the same as in the ERP system.
Yeah.
So all these numbers, we use the numbers and to distinguish all the different materials.
Yeah.
And also, so when our warehouse department, when they get the orders, and they will prepare the orders according to the ERP system, and then they will take the order list and find the materials accordingly. It's very easy for them to find all the materials.
So first, you will clarify the different shells with the number, right? With different size on different shells, right?
Yes.
And then I can see that in different shells, you even have numbers here. Right?
Yes.
You have numbers here.
Yes.
And here.
Yes. So this number is this kind of light shelf is located for some lightweight material like a control board.
Can you show us a list? I mean the list which
it's okay. Please follow me, okay? So let's check with the lay, okay?
Yeah.
So can you give me
this
one? Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay. So you can see this is the working table here, and I just take one order list. So this is the order, okay, from our Rachel must be very familiar, okay, from our sales department. G, okay, and
from Gina.
Like I just explained, and the order.
I see it.
Yes.
So each material is this is their location.
Yeah, location.
So
T and G and R.
So once they get this list, they just go to this location to take this quantity of the parts.
So this order actually is from really our PMC department. Yeah. They will send the order according to the sales department and
according to the order.
And then calling the director of our assembly line, and will print this order from our ERP system and take the order to the warehouse and give to the lay. Okay, so lay will prepare. So with the ERP system, it's very easy for the warehouse workers to control and to clear all the materials here. So like this, okay.
With
so
this
thank you,
machine,
it's a very good job.
With this information, this is very important, because with this information, even a new worker who came to this warehouse, they can find the goods here. Yeah, they can find the goods because it's very easy and very clear. Yeah, this is very good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
good
you,
job.
Lei. It's a very
very good job.
Okay. So here is the warehouse how it looks like. Okay.
Yeah.
So
this is the warehouse only for all the parts of our Galaxy heat press machine. So we can give you a short tour. Then you can see it from every corner. Yeah, you can see it is clarified with different name for each frame or each shell, and different parts was located in different area. But every part's location is included in our ERP system. Yeah.
Yeah, and so here maybe because
you want to show this excellent box.
Excellent, yeah. Many customers like this
like our packing
of our GS 105 because you can see this is also a different. One point I would like to share with customer. So we use very good material.
Yeah.
So at this material is we imported. Okay.
This is import cotton. You can see it's very
strong,
hard.
And so can give the heat press machine a very good protection.
Yeah.
Okay. So we never use a very cheap material.
Yeah, that's why we almost do not have a broken machine because of the shipping. Yeah, because of the shipping. Yeah. This is the carton, and also the inside we do not use foam. We use EVA.
We use EVA, yes.
Right?
You can see we have a warehouse here for the EVA.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all for the warehouse introduction. Okay, so thank you, Lei. Good job, okay? See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, so we do not use foam, but we use EVA.
We use EVA, okay, yeah.
We can show customers the EVA packing.
Yeah, here is the EVA.
Yeah, because the EVA packing is also very important, and I like it a lot. Yeah, it's really quality.
Yes, so you can check this is warehouse for our EVA.
Yeah, this is for EVA packing. I think here has some. You can see it's very good quality. This is how we put the machine inside and then put this into the carton. This packing is really nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I think that's all for the production line and the warehouse for our Galaxy heat press machine.
Yeah.
And I think everybody know local or know Galaxy should understand. And we just introduced at the first beginning. And all the machine was developed based on customers' requirement. Why we can do this is because except the machine, we also offer lots of different types of the blanks. Yeah. So first, I will show, because for all the dice of blanks wholesalers, they should understand it. The most important thing for run a good business in dice of blanks is to let your warehouse to be really good organized and well managed. So first, I will show you how we manage our warehouse. It is in the first floor of this building. So we will go to the first floor. We will go to the first floor and to show you how we managing our warehouse of the banks. Because now it is a hot season, so the warehouse is full of package, full of the products. But still, I would like to show you how we do it. Okay. Okay. Thank you for all the customers to join us here today. And this is the first live show for us to show you our Galaxy teams and Galaxy factory.
So the first floor is for our blanks products. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can see here. And lots of
Yeah.
This year we are really very busy. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So before the introduction, and also I would like to introduce you the director of our warehouse department. Okay. So Leo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Dio. I'm a warehouse supervisor to join the Galaxy in 2018. Responsible for warehouse, interior, plan, and lead operation management. My working place is warehouse.
Yes.
Petrol warehouse. Each section of work every day.
Yes.
And lead my team
Yes.
to do a good job for warehouse.
Yes. Yes.
Ensure the safety and the quality in the process
Yes.
of circulation of goods in the warehouse.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you, Leo. Very good self-introduction.
Yeah.
Actually, many customers know that so a local start blanks business, and we have been 10 years experience. So actually now we because this year we are really very busy here, and we have lots of orders. So we almost load container every week, even 2 or 3.
Every day.
Yeah. So I can see this is many blanks stocks here. Some is ready for sending. Okay.
Yeah.
I think today we have the container loading today. Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. So let me do a brief introduction because I think that's my part. I take in charge of developing of the sublimation blanks and also everything for the blanks. Okay. So here you can see this part. We have lots of box packed and also labeled. This is the goods which is already on order, and it will ship to our customer later this week or later next week. And this part you can see also lots of labeled box here, but this box is under QC checking before getting to this warehouse to ship to customer. And you can see here has a small label, a small bottle, and our lovely ladies.
Hello.
Yeah. She is she's Lisa, right? Lisa is also very, very important for us. She is a very, very hardworking worker here, and she taking charge of the QC checking for all the blanks every day.
All the blanks,
and she is a very, very detailed woman. So even a small defective, it cannot pass her eyes. So we are very, very confident with her inspection. Then we can make sure that all the blanks you got will be good. Yeah, will be good. Okay.
Yes.
So first here we will do the like she is checking the wrong tin box at the moment.
We can. Yes.
Okay.
Hi, hello. I'm Omar. I'm Lisa.
Okay.
That's Lisa.
Thank you,
Thank
Lisa.
you, Lisa.
Thank you,
Okay,
Lisa.
so this is the QC checking. So once it's you can see here. Once it's packed to the checking QC checking, then it will get into this part and get ready for shipping. Okay, and the inside is the normal stock. We keep it normal stock. You can see you can see all the share is also named with different name. It's the same as what you just saw at our machine factory, machine warehouse. Every share will have its own name, and every share, every place also will have its own name. So all of this information will be in our ERP system. So it means that once we get the order, every worker they can just get the list and get the goods very easily and correctly. So this part, you can see this is all the stock for us, our normal stock for back order. So every box is sealed here, so it's ready for ship. When customer place the order, then we will ship them right away. And here you can see all the box is open. Yeah, right. All the box is open. You can see all the box is open. It's open box, right? And because this is for small sample order or air order, so once we got small sample order or air order, all the goods will be prepared from here. From here, you can see different. We have lots of different. You can see from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or more than 10 shells with and each place is with one different types of products. Like you can see, this is the pencil box in black color, and this is the pencil box in pink color, and this is the pencil box for blue color, which means that how many box we have it here, then we have how many different types of the blanks. We keep them in stock to ship to customer. Yeah. Okay. And you can see this is the normal list. We get it from PMC department, and this is the name of the products, and this is where they located.
It's the same as the
where they
price
located.
machine, yeah.
So our warehouse workers, they can get this list every day.
From here.
Every day, and then they just follow this instruction to find the different goods.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think we have some customer and leave some message. You can check, Rachel.
Okay. So this is how we manage our warehouse. This is how we manage our warehouse. You can see we have lots of different types of products. How many boxes we have it here, then how many different types of blanks. We keep them in stock here. Okay, so this is how we manage the warehouse, and hope you understand it better about this.
And actually, we have also for the shipping warehouse for C order. Okay, so the next, and I would like to show you to our warehouse prepared for the container order. Okay, it's located in the back side of this building. Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, we are really run out of the space already. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we must assign the orders as fast as we can. Okay.
Yeah.
So we do not have more space.
Yeah, all of this is ready to ship. It will be loaded a container.
So that's the reason why the factory and always push the sales office to send the order as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the warehouse we just introduced. And here is the
this is the warehouse
small
for the C order preparation.
preparation.
Yes.
And for all the goods which is here, it will be located. It will be loaded in container in next 2 or 3 days. Yeah. For all of the, you can see this is a small warehouse here, right? And we have goods over here. You can see and labeled, and everything is getting ready. You can see everything is labeled. So all the goods here will be shipped out in next 2 or 3 days. So the warehouse over there, we also have some ready box to ship it out, but that will be shipped out maybe in next week or next 2 weeks. But here will be shipped out in next 2 or 3 days. So we have well organized. So next 2 or 3 days and next 2 or 3 weeks, and then our normal regular stock. These are lots of different types of fabric. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, we open the sewing line.
Yeah, open sewing line. Because I think it's in the last year and in the second half of last year, and Rachel talked with me that if we can find some place in the factory and open the sewing line, because there are many customers asking for textile products, and in this way, and we can control the quality and. In the factory, and we always support all the girls in the sales office. So we even that now we are run out of the area space in the factory, and we saved some space, and then we opened the sewing shop. And this sewing shop also, I think, helps our company, or even helps the customer a lot.
It was
because we make lots of masks this year.
It was increased on our expectation. It was really. Why I opened the sewing line? You know, sewing is a labor-intensive industry.
Yeah, labor-intensive.
And because with the keep increasing labor costs in our factory area, it is really a hard decision whether to move into the sewing line.
Yeah, so at the beginning, I talked to this Rachel, and maybe we can sourcing a factory. Already, we have lots of blanks orders to prepare and to inspect, and we have big press machine. The order is also booming up. But Rachel insists that we must take a responsibility for the customer. Because only you start to production by yourself, you can quality, and you can divide
and we can beat the market.
Yes.
And we can get the sample upon customers' requirements. Very easy and fast. And we can design our own products based on different materials. Because we have ability to develop different materials. That's the key. So, and more importantly, there is no any other suppliers here in China. No sublimation deeply as we know, and having the sewing line, especially only for sublimation textiles.
So actually, the cost is not the only point. That when Lopo and the Galaxy we do business, we think in the customer side. We think for the market.
We always make ourselves as customers. If I would like Lopo to give us.
Yes, sure.
And
it's change your position.
This is what we do. Okay, so let us go to check our new sewing line.
Sewing line, okay? So, from this store, okay?
Okay, so here is the cutting all the materials. So all the materials, once they arrive, they need to be cut here with different sizes and different shapes based on different products. You can see maybe this is a very old way of cutting, but it's very precise and accurate. And our colleague here, you can see he's more than 60 years old. But he has been working as a cutting this. We call it check. He is really good at his job. I think he did this job almost all of his career.
We are very busy this year for textile material.
And also have this young boy to be here to help him. To lay on the fabric and everything.
We can move to the sewing shop, okay?
So we go to the sewing shop.
So first we go to the second floor, okay?
We go to the second floor. So this sewing line was opened since last year, and it was really growing very well. And the most important thing it was growing very well is because I think we made a correct decision to get into this part, and more importantly is we found the right people to be with us and to work with us. This is the most important thing.
Okay, so this is our sewing shop, okay? We just launched last year, and now actually it's enlarged very quickly. introduce maybe some products now we are doing.
Okay, I would like to introduce the manager here, Ashu first. Yes. And I just said that the most important thing why we growing so fast is because we found capable colleagues to be with us. And I'd like to introduce you, Archu. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. He has been almost put his own career as a sewing chef or in all of his life. Then he can make the design. He can join the design according to customers' requirement. No matter it is just a photo or just an explanation about an idea how you want to make the product, then Achu can make it true. Yeah, this is very important. That's why we can guarantee you to get the good. If you have the sample the test, we can get the sample to be ready within 2 days. Within 2 days, because of Archu, yeah, he can do everything, not just for the sample, but he managing all the sewing line and can get the trouble free for all of the ladies here. Yeah, so Archu, can you do? He might cannot speak English, so I would like to let her because he's very important to do a brief introduction of himself in Chinese. Okay.
Hello， 我是阿秋，我从事这个从业有28年了，我好喜欢这现在工作，我打算一辈子做下去。
Oh, that's really impressive. I can do a translation. And he just said that he had been working in this area for about 28 years. He is doing. He will keep going. Yeah. Okay, thank you. We are very lucky to find you to be the partner of us. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ashu. Okay.
Yeah. So,
you want to track the line here?
no, the most important thing is that it's very easy for lots of companies to having this type of sewing line, but it's not very easy for lots of companies that can get capable workers who is experienced and know what customers' requirement and know our customer standard and make the goods upon our customers' requirement and our customer standard. This is the key why we keep our customers happy and keep leading the market. Yes, so that is not of this equipment or the sewing line. It was the people who workers here. They help us to do this. So before introduce, so I get this opportunity. I mean, at this live show, I'd like to introduce you more about our capable workers, how they are capable and how they are experienced. Okay, so I can do a kind of interview for few of the workers and just let them to introduce themselves in Chinese because you cannot speak English, but I can do a translation. Okay, so excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, 你在这个行业已经做了多少年了？做了10多年了。Okay, I'm just asking her how many years she has been in this in doing the sewing job. She said, I had been in this for about more than 10 years. Okay, thank you. And another one.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, these beautiful, gorgeous ladies, right? Okay, so 阿姨，你在这个行业做了多少年了？
我这个行业从事这个行业40年了。
Wow, 40 years. 40 years. Yeah, and she is still passionate about her job. This is very, very important. Yeah, and she did it very, very fast and very good. Yeah, this is really impressed me a lot. You know, a person can keep in an industry or a job for 40 years. That means that she is really love this job, love this industry, and enjoy what she is doing. And I hope I will be the same for the next. I have been in supplementation for 12 years, so I hope that I could be the same for my rest of the lives. I would only do supplementation and love supplementation, keep moving. Okay, so when I is a little bit older, then I can very proud to see my kids and my friends. I have been working in supplementary for more than 40 years. Yeah, more than 40 years. Okay, one more. Okay. 你好，请问你在这个行业做了多少年了？Yeah, she is also working in this field for more than 10 years. Yes, as I said that, the working shop, all the equipment is not the most important thing. The most important thing is that you can have capable workers, right? And you can have capable partners who believe in you and who trust you and who want to be with you to serve our customers, who know customer standards and know customer requirements. And this is what our Galaxy team or our local team can bring it to and guarantee you. Okay, so this is our sewing line, and we have another two sewing shop which is not here because this sewing line is not enough for our orders. So we have another two sewing line which is out of our factory, and we cannot show you here today. But it's I think you can check the mask video we made a few weeks ago that show all the working shops of our sewing line. We have 3 working shops. Okay, and the fabric mask. I noticed that some customer with the message say mask. Yes, because of the coronavirus. Here in 2020, mask is really, really popular. At first beginning, customer is using it as protection, but now customer is using it as a fashion accessory. We do produce masks, but not in this sewing line. In another 2 sewing lines, our daily output is 50,000 pieces of masks, and we have been sold about 2 million pieces of the mask since this May, which is really great, really great. Okay, so thank you for all the customers to join us here today. And this is the first time we do a live show here at our Galaxy factory to show you our Galaxy factory team and production lines and everybody here. Okay, thank you, Russell.
Okay, thank you, Rachel, for the detailed introduction. And this is totally Rachel's familiar area. Okay.
Yeah.
I think the next we have another workshop for the sewing. It's a packing workshop. I think it's also very important. So maybe we go downstairs and check the workshop and no, okay?
Yeah.
So please follow me, okay?
Packing is very important. Yeah, because the packing can make sure whether everything, for the sewing is a detailed job. Yeah, whether the extra thread have been cut it off. Yeah, because if you pillow that extra thread which is out of the pillow, it will ruin your inspection about this pillow. So we do care about the packing, and we have lots of packing girls here. You can see.
So here is our
we have packing here. The packing and they check the quality. Thing out. Okay, here maybe here is doing the packing at So why we have lots of have that much packing girls here is because we care about the quality. We care about the quality, and every product we produce upstairs, and we'll need to go here to cut the extra thread and also pack it well, and then go to our QC department, and QC department will do final QC and get into the warehouse, and then ship it out to you. Okay, so this is how we do the sewing line here. Okay, I think
it's for the workshop is all visited already.
Yeah.
And I think the next maybe we can go to the front gate of the factory.
Yeah.
And here we have the maybe container loading, also loading area, and show to customers.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. We have the last area.
Yes.
Would like to show customer. Okay, thank you for all the customers to join today's live show. And this is the first time we do the live to show our Galaxy factory about our members, our production lines, and our warehouse, also and our R&D department. Thank you, Russell. It is really a great journey. It is really a great journey. And now we will go to the
Front gate. Okay,
container loading area to let you. This is the outlook of our factory. You can see. This is the outlook of our factory, and this is the building we just went to for the office. Oh yes, we have a container coming today. Yeah, it's a hot season at the moment, so we almost load container every day. Okay. Okay, see, today we have a container, and I think lots of customers will care about how we load the container, and whether we care about the packing and the space of the container to get as much as the goods to ship it to you, and every good is protected well. Okay, and we take this chance, and today we have a container, so we show you how we pack. How we load the container, okay?
Today, and I think customers check every detail for the factory and how we work every day. Okay?
All of these goods here will be loaded in this afternoon. This will be loaded in this afternoon.
So first, the occupancy Lucky, okay? Hi, Lucky. Hi. You can see that for each container and Lucky and Alina, we totally with the warehouse and container loading workers, and because to check. To confirm that every carton is correct.
Yeah, and you can see before packing, Lucky will take a picture to show the container, empty container, and then they will start to load the container. Once container loaded in half, and then they will take another photo. Once the container loaded in full, then they will take another photo, and all of these photos will be will be sent to customer. Right. So you not get ready to load the container. 人呢？他们在拿货了。
Preparing.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
So first we will prepare all the products and get all the products out from the warehouse to here, and then start loading. Start loading. You can see.
Usually it will take some time because this is in the morning in China. It's so we must prepare all the goods first and then start load container.
And it's very hot here in Guangdong, in Shenzhen at the moment, because we have about 35 degrees every day. It's really hot here, and it is really a big challenge. It's really a big challenge for all our workers to load the container. Okay, so the first we will get all the goods ready here, and then they will start to load it. So normally we will have 5 workers to load the container.